So this episode, what we're going to be doing is tearing out pretty much most of the interior, everything but the dash, because as you might have seen on previous episodes, there's quite a few holes in the bottom that we need to inspect, and they need to be done from inside as well as outside. So let's crack on.
The name is Baldy McNutt.
I've made a huge mistake.
But I cannot see, I'm legally blind.
I'm not a smart man. Take your time.
Six and a half hours later.
We hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video, we're going to be tackling the issue of parts, trying to replace the parts that were seized. What were they done? Totally seized. If you like the video, then follow, share, subscribe to our page. If you want to donate towards the charity, there is a QR code that will pop up just above Christian's face. There we go. And yeah, hope to see you in the future.